In 2010, over 400 rangatahi from across Aotearoa took part in the kaupapa of Te Aho Tū Roa Kōtuia.
Kōtuia is a total immersion Reo Māori youth development program that helps rangatahi Māori grow stronger through connection to their people, place and identity.
Kōtuia has been a life-changing experience, not only for the rangatahi, but for everyone else involved. And we know from the feedback that we've received that everybody wants more.
One of the teachers from Kōtuia had said to me that she had seen something new, that she had seen her tauira becoming leaders in their own right. We are proud to have supported our rangatahi to tūkaha, tū maia, tū rangatira.
One of the best things about Kōtuia is that it's performance-based, which we know the rangatahi love. And through these performances, they brought to life their kōrero nehe, their stories and histories from their iwi.
And at the same time, they grew in confidence and made connections with each other and their communities that will last for a lifetime.
In 2010, the kaupapa matua of Kōtuia was wai, water. Using this theme of wai, students were encouraged to connect with their people and their place, to uncover and bring to life the kōrero nehe, the histories of their place. The goal? To bring and to share, through performance, these stories with their peers at Kōtuia.
The power of meeting kanohi ki te kanohi, face to face, is massive. So the first stage of Kōtuia was the wharekura tour, where we went into the kura and introduced the kaupapa along with a range of different performance styles.
Our rangatahi are used to and bored of programs that talk at them from the front of the room. Through our facilitation of Kōtuia, we empowered the rangatahi by drawing out what knowledge they held and by leading them to people in their community where they could find out more. This way, they had ownership of what they learned, and they built the confidence to share and keep these stories alive.
In a generation where Xbox, iPod and other technology disconnect us from each other, Kōtuia looks back to our roots, to open the minds of our rangatahi to self-expression and reconnect them with themselves and their community.
Kapahaka, wharekura, sport, these are things our rangatahi know well. But dance, theatre, film, poetry, these are things our rangatahi have generally watched rather than taken part in.
Kōtuia is engaging our rangatahi. Kōtuia is getting them involved. Kōtuia is giving them a new avenue to try new things, to push their boundaries and to grow their confidence.
The life-changing experiences started to occur at the Huiarohe, our regional cluster events. Having time to work intensively with the rangatahi meant that the Kōtuia crew could share new concepts with them and develop their skills that would prove invaluable at the National Kōtuia event.
The main focus of the Huiarohe was to develop the students' knowledge of the kōrero nehe and the performance skills that they would use to bring these kōrero alive. We did this through facilitating different nuka performance activities and challenges, and through asking questions that prompted the rangatahi to think about how their stories applied to their lives now.
Through the Puna Hākuako, the action learning cycle, we workshopped different performance elements, then got the tauira to give them a go, pulling together and trying out the elements that they would use to communicate their stories and their performances.
It was so powerful to see the rangatahi develop over the course of the Huiarohe. The difference in their confidence and ability to communicate was so huge that teachers were blown away, saying that these aren't the students we brought in here yesterday.
Ko te tupu o te māhuri, tērā te tupu o te rākau. The skills and confidence that the rangatahi build in this stage of life are the tools that will help them succeed long into the future.
The culmination event that wove together all the threads, all the stories and all the learnings from throughout the year was the National Jam event, Kōtuia.
More than 200 people came together at Maketu Marae in Kawhia, the final resting place of Tainui Waka, for a week-long event that was run completely in te reo Māori.
Kōtuia provided the platform for rangatahi to tū maia, tūkaha, tū rangatira, to stand bravely, to stand strong, to stand in their power. It was here that we saw the outcomes from the wharekura and the wharerohe.
Using different performance skills, Rangatahi told their stories and showed that they had developed personally to a point where they were able to patu i te whakamā, to overcome the shyness that holds them back.
Along with the confidence to stand came the openness to try new things. Rangatahi were able to select an area to specialise in with industry experts through different papamahi, including dance, songwriting, taonga pūoro, television and slam poetry. A highlight for the Rangatahi was seeing the world champion slam poetry team Youth Speaks Hawaii in action.
Because by the time this poem is done, 3 children will have died. 15 people will have been infected. You will not have seen this on the cover of magazines because these are the stories of forgotten. So take these quilted memories, wrap them around yourself and ask the hard questions. Do we not take notice because we don't think it could be us? Don't think we could ever be so broken.
I kōtuia ngā aho, connections were woven between the Rangatahi, with the tuakana, with the haukainga, and everyone involved at Maketu Marae for the national culmination event Te Aho Tū Roa Kōtuia 2010. Kōtuia 2010 was a massive success, and the wharekura interested in this life-changing kaupapa has doubled for 2011.
He mihi mana hau tēnei ki a koutou katoa I tautoko I tēnei kaupapa o Kōtuia I tana tau tuatahi. We want to give a massive acknowledgement to all of you who have supported this kaupapa of Kōtuia in its foundation year, and we look forward to continuing on this journey with you long into the future.
Kōtuia ki Te Aho Tū Roa, whiria kia u, kia tūroa ai, moa ke tonu atu e.
Kia tū mai atu pakari.
Tū mai tū kaha.
Tū mai.
I tū kaha, I tū mai, I tū rangatira.
Tū kaha. Tū rangatira. Patua te whakamā.
Patua te whakamā. Patua te whakamā.
I patua te whakamā.
Kōtuia.
I kōtuia.
Kōtuia.
Kōtuia! Kōtuia! Kaua e tūrohi. Kaua e whakamā.